This is Colin O'Keefe for LXBN TV, and I am joined by Don Ryan, Business Development Manager at Daegis. We are, of course, talking about eDiscovery, all over the place, and also leveraging technology. How are our law firms and corporations specifically leveraging technology to limit the costs of eDiscovery?
Sure. It's when you look at eDiscovery and how it's being managed today as opposed to where we were, say, 5 years ago, we're finding that corporations are trying to take a step back and look at the entire eDiscovery spend as a function of the data that they're looking to manage, and then applying intelligent technology to help control and manage both the scope of data that's being sent for outside review, but also looking for intelligent ways to reuse that work product across multiple matters. So in our world, that's called cross-matter management or big data management. Additionally, when you're looking at where the industry is moving as a whole, and the introduction of things like predictive coding to help not only control and identify trends within the review and responsive, non-responsive documents, but also act as a quality control check for law firms, but also internal counsel that are trying to manage the overall review process. We're finding that corporations, the ones that are truly attacking it from the right perspective, are leveraging technology in a way to help control the cost, but by the same token, add as much added value internally as they possibly can to help control the overall risk factor tied to eDiscovery in general.
Absolutely. And one of the other big subjects here at Legal Tech 2013 is big data. It's being discussed everywhere here, especially in its relation to discovery. How are serial litigants leveraging big discovery?
Yeah, that's a great question. And when you look at the challenges that serial litigants are under, it's not just the scope of the data that's being managed, but it's also how often they're being subject to litigation, litigious events. And so from that standpoint, once again, we're looking at those serial litigants are trying to define or look at it from a data-centric view out. So how are they managing their data, not only to learn across multiple matters or across similar matters, but also repurpose work product that's being leveraged across similar matters so that they're almost starting from a running position instead of a standstill. So again, this is where the concept of cross-matter management, not just from a data perspective, but also from a repurposing work product and process, becomes incredibly important to corporations from a big data perspective.
Absolutely. Again, that was Don Ryan, Business Development Manager with Daegis. For more of our video interviews from Legal Tech New York 2013, go to LXBN.com. They are all there. Thanks, Don.
Thank you very much.